Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Photoshop, and once again this is Hezra. So today someone asked me that how can we able to know the hotkeys or the shortcut keys for the tools here in Photoshop. So all you need to do is to click the tool that you want, and after clicking the tool you will see a description will appear under your cursor. So for the move tool, uh, you can press letter V. For the rectangular marquee tool, letter M. Lasso tool, letter L. Quick selection tool, W. Crop tool is C. Eyedropper tool is I. J for spot healing brush tool. Letter B for brush tool. Clone stamp tool for letter S. Letter Y for history brush tool. Letter E for eraser tool. Letter G for gradient tool. Blur, there's no hotkey for this tool or shortcut key for this tool. For the dodge tool, letter O. Pen tool, letter P. Horizontal type tool is letter T. Letter A for path selection tool. Letter U for costume shape tool. And letter H for hand tool. And letter Z for zoom tool. So you can memorize those shortcut keys, and it will help you, and you will make your work more faster, or make your work faster. So if you have any question, just leave a comment, and if you really like this tutorial, you can subscribe. Please subscribe, and if you have any comments, just put in the comment bar, or you can add me also here in YouTube, or you can message me here on YouTube. So thank you for watching.